To Washington now, where a Gilroy pregnancy clinic is at the center of a case that went before the U.S. Supreme Court. Case involves a California law that regulates anti-abortion pregnancy centers. Opponents say the law is unconstitutional and a violation of free speech. Action News reporter Bianca Beltran joins us now with all the details on what happened today.
That's right. Well, Aaron, Dan, that law in question requires pregnancy clinics to provide information about family planning services offered by the state, including abortion, with a sign much like this or another notice. Now, those challenging the law say it forces them to share a message they don't support. An internet search for abortion in Gilroy brings up Planned Parenthood and a nonprofit clinic called Informed Choices. The center advertises pregnancy tests, ultrasounds, and consultation regarding women's options, but they do not provide abortions or referrals.
Women come to us because they're lacking some kind of support in their lives. We try to answer her questions, give her the information that she's looking for.
California requires clinics like this to notify clients about state-subsidized family planning services, including abortion. The law also requires centers that are unlicensed to post a sign saying so.
They don't want you to have all your options. They have one agenda, and that agenda is to stop a woman from accessing pregnancy care.
An organization representing hundreds of pregnancy centers, including Informed Choices, challenged the law in court, arguing it's an unconstitutional violation of their free speech rights.
As an individual, I am concerned that the state of California and our government would compel me to speak a message that I do not believe in.
The Supreme Court heard the case on Tuesday. Both conservative and liberal justices expressed skepticism about the law. Justice Samuel Alito said the state's criteria seem to apply to only pro-life clinics. In Gilroy, the faith-based clinic describes its mission as upholding the sanctity of life, but promises to support women in whichever choice they make. And the case could impact what states can and can't direct abortion providers or opponents to tell women, and this could also affect what doctors say to their patients. Aaron, Dan.
All right, Bianca, thank you. So the Supreme Court ruling on this case is not expected until at least June of this year.